Hello friends, welcome back to our channel FinCourse. So on 3rd June 2021, in an interview with Business Line, ICA President has clarified certain questions regarding the holding of CA exam starting from July 5th, 2021. So let us go to the first question. What has prompted you to hold CA exams on July 5th, 2021? So for this question, ICA President has answered that first of all, we would not like to merge this with our November exams. So actually it's a good sign to our CA students, because CA students can get 2 attempts to write their CA exams, and lowest daily new COVID cases in last 50 days and vaccination drive continues. Yes, actually you can see the COVID cases are gradually decreasing and vaccination drive also continuing. So it will be a conducive atmosphere for holding exams like how we saw in last year. So second question, do you think students can still study and appear for their upcoming exams? Well, for students, the only message I have is that they should continue studying for their exams. Last time when we postponed it, there was only 23 days left for exam, but this time we have promised them there will be minimum 25 days given to them for preparing. Now they will have more than 25 days to prepare, so I am sure they will prepare well. Third question, what if your expectation don't come true and COVID cases again rises? So in response to the question, ICA President said that if lockdown does not open up, then we have no other option other than to postpone the exams for further more period. So do you anticipate any legal challenges to your decision to hold exams on July 5th? So for this question, ICA President replied that we are not going to conduct exams in violation of any rules that government makes. So last time some students went to the Supreme Court, but we are able to convince the court that COVID protocols were being followed. So ICA generally conducts exams in 475 to 500 centers only, but last time we have conducted in 1084 exam centers. So this year also we follow the same rules. We will not violate any rules that government makes. So fifth question, we have set up a committee to review education and training to revamp the curriculum and training modules of CA course. When do you expect this report from the committee? So for this question, ICA President replied that it takes a year to complete the entire exercise. However, by the beginning of the next year, we expect it to come to the council. So he was saying that the committee will submit the report to the council by the beginning of the next year, and then ICA will submit to the government for the approval. So the syllabus will be implemented in another year. So to submit the report by the committee, it will take 1 year, and then to implement the submitted report syllabus, it will take another 1 year. So for actual syllabus to get modified, it may take at least 2 years from now. So generally ICA will make revision of CA syllabus once in 7 years. So but this time they are saying that this is not a routine revision, but they are reinventing our education and training in line with the current day needs. So the last question was, what will CRET do on the training module? Do you think post-pandemic world will require a different approach to training? So here training means the articleship period they are talking about. So for this question, ICA President replied that technology will now be implemented by CA firms, business and industries in a big way. Yes, of course. So we are expecting that working from home will become a normal at least 2 or 3 days in a week. So after the pandemic, students will have to learn all the skills, including the communicating online, to attend meetings online, and all this will become part of the training. CRET will certainly go deep on this aspect. Yes, correct. Because we can see from the last year, we are attended many courses online only. You can see we have attended the orientation course, ITT course, advanced ITT, GMCS, even the practical training assessment test also we are attended the online only. So CRET is doing work on it to implement the technology in the practical training course also. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel FinCourse.